Good afternoon. My name is Daniel Blackman, and I was proposing a question: how are the limitations of students' rights an illustration of the First Amendment in U.S. public schools? So my claim is that students have all their First Amendment rights in school, although they may be limited to serve the common good. So the First Amendment includes the freedoms of speech, religion, press, assembly, and the right to petition, and all these are given in public schools but they may be limited. So an example of this is the Tinker versus Des Moines case. Two kids were expressing their freedom of speech using armbands to protest to show their support for the end of the Vietnam War, and the court ruled that they were suspended, but they went to the Supreme Court and they ruled that it supported and the freedom of speech is not lost when you step onto school property. An example of the guaranteed the full extent of their First Amendment rights. So restrictions are not only in U.S. public schools for students. All U.S. citizens have their restrictions in everyday life. There are certain times, places, and manners in which one individual's rights. So the specific instances in which disrupts classwork. So a counterclaim is that a lot of people believe that the freedom of religion is not given in schools, but students have the right, as it shows here. Public prayer was never banned from our public schools. It is just that students cannot. It's just that you can't place one religion above the other. So my solution is that students' First Amendment rights should be limited in U.S. public schools. Thank you. What questions do you have?
All right, two questions for you. First up, what information did you need before you began your research?
I had to know what the First Amendment was and how that applied to the question and what I was doing. So, yeah.
Okay, and the next one. If you had more time, what additional research would you do on this topic?
I would definitely go and find more cases which support my claim so that I could back it up more and have more evidence.
All right, thank you, sir.